Hello, how are you, my friends? So today it is the next video after my previous one. I talked about types of sentence. So you got some idea with me about that. And today I keep my promising. I'm going to show you one by one about types of sentence, like simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and mixed sentence you learned with me last day. It is not new for you, but I want to let you know about simple sentence. What is simple sentence? You can see the meaning on the whiteboard. Simple sentence, we talk about type of sentence that can stand alone. It doesn't need the other sentence to support its meaning or give more information to it. A simple sentence you learned with the previous video, like a single subject with predicate. So another one I want to show you today, simple sentence. Everyone, you can see the big letter. Simple sentence we refer to subject plus verb. Okay, the simple form subject plus verb. One subject, one verb, or two subject, one verb, or two subject, two verb, something like that. You can make the simple sentence. But the basic form, normally simple sentence, when we talk about simple sentence, we refer to subject and verb. Just subject plus verb, it can be simple sentence. You get it? Okay, you see the base form, you see the simple form or the basic form of simple sentence, we refer or we talk about subject and verb. So, before let you know about this, let me say compound subject. Let me say a little bit about compound subject. What is compound subject? Compound subject, we talk about two subjects combined together, not only one subject. We start from two subjects are combined together to be compound subject. Cats and dogs are accused today. So you can see cat and dog, we have two subjects. So like this we call compound subject. Okay? 1, 2, compound subject. We have two subjects. Another one, number 2, compound verb. So compound verb, we talk about type of verb that stand after together or start from two words. Okay, let me see. She walked one and looked around. Another one. So you see, 1 and 2. So two words combined together to give the same meaning, like this we call compound verb. Okay? Another one example. I have been teaching English for long. Example. I have been. Okay? Verb. 3 verbs in the sentence. So you see, not only one verb, there are 3 verbs in the sentence. So like this we call compound verb. But we see only one subject, single subject, with 3 words combined together to be one meaning. So like this we call compound verbs. And everyone, number 3. Number 3 about imperative sentence. Exactly, you see, simple sentence normally have subject and verb combined together to be simple sentence. But look at this number 3, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, you see, we don't have subject. You know, we don't have subject, but we start from verb. So, imperative sentence, type of sentence that start from verb. We don't see subject, but exactly the subject implied following the verb. Normally, imperative sentence we use subject you. You know, subject of imperative sentence you. So, imperative sentence, even though we don't see subject, but it is also the same sentence. Okay, I would like to be Razi. Go on to the next. Like a simple way, like SV. Have you ever known about this? SV? SV means refer to subject and verb. Okay, subject and verb. Like she cries. You get it? Subject and verb. And like you can put subject verb. You see? Subject verb like this. Subject and compound verb. Okay? Like she runs. She runs and sing. Okay? So subject, verb, verb. Subject, verb, verb. Subject, compound verb. Okay? A simple like SSV can be subject, subject, verb. Compound subject and verb. You and I used to meet each other. Subject, subject, verb, verb. Compound subject and compound verb. Okay? My friends and their family have been traveling since Friday. My friends and their family, and their family have been traveling since Friday. You see, compound subject and compound verb. Okay? 5. Like this. SVO. What is it? SVO? Subject, verb, object. He sing a song. He sings a song. 6. What is it? Okay. SV, adjective. Subject, verb, adjective. Like you are good. Okay? Like she look beautiful. She looks beautiful. Okay? 7. Was it? Subject, verb, and adverb. He fast. Okay? He runs very fast. Okay? Get it? Age. 21. I can say subject, verb, noun. Okay? Now exactly noun can be object. Can be object like this. Sometimes noun can be object. Like I can say I am a teacher. Okay? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Subject, verb, and noun. But exactly this noun phrase. This is noun phrase, but it also noun. We call noun phrase. You can make many ways from this. You can make the form, or you can say the sentence just single sentence, and it has its own meaning enough. Subject, verb, blah blah blah, full stop. Okay? Like simple sentence. You see, simple sentence. It is subject, verb, blah 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 blah, full stop. Okay? That is simple sentence. It doesn't have the other sentence to give more information like dependent clause or subordinate clause to give more information to it. Just stay alone or it has its own meaning enough. It is simple sentence. Okay, so don't waste your time. Look at example. Look at example, everyone, my friends. Yes. You see number one. You see, she opened the door. Yeah. She opened the door. You see, subject, verb, object. Yes. This one. She opened the door. Yes. Simple sentence. I done. Subject, verb. Okay. Subject, verb. Still have subject, verb, subject, verb, subject, verb. Simple sentence. Because to be a sentence, it must have subject and verb. Subject, she done beautifully last night. Subject, verb, what is it? Adverb, what is it? Adverb. Okay? Am I right? Number 4. I am sorry. I am sorry. I don't want to do that. I'm sorry. It's my mistake. I am sorry. So, subject, verb to be, and adjective. Number 5. Read the directions. Verb, okay, and object. Okay. Verb and object. 6. Watch out. Verb, preposition. But we can call like this compound verb also, or we call phrasal verb. You know, we call phrasal verb because compound verb have many forms, like verb preposition that normally we call phrasal verb, also be able to call compound verb. So like this we can call compound verb. Okay. Number 7. You and I studied together last year. Okay. So you subject, verb. Okay. Subject, verb, adverb. Number 8. He is eating and talking. Subject. Okay. All of this compound verb. Number 9. Teacher and students are talking and laughing. So you see, compound subject, compound verb, or we can call SS or VV. Number 10. I bought some gifts for my friends. I bought some gifts for my friends. You see, subject, verb, what is it? Object, what is it? Object. Two objects in this sentence. Also, simple sentence. I bought some gift, direct object, for my friend, indirect object. Number 11. He has been living in Phnom Penh for 10 years. Okay, so subject, compound verb, okay, adverb of time, adverb of place, and adverb of time. Adverb and adverb. Okay, so the example, exactly this example I just let you see the simple sentence, and you know every sentence has subject and verb. You see, subject and verb, subject and verb, subject and verb. Okay, only verb. Imperative sentence, only verb. Imperative sentence, subject, verb, subject, verb, subject, verb, subject, verb, subject, and verb. So, simple sentence must have subject and verb. But remember, subject and verb must have enough meaning to give idea. Both speaker and listener understand the idea, each other. Simple sentence. Okay, you got it? So based on this video, I hope you enjoy watching and understand the lesson. A simple way, putting many form from number 1, number 1 to number 8, just a simple form that I try to search and I try to note in my diary and give example and to explain you just a simple sentence that you learned today. And thank you for your spending time to watch my video, and I'm very happy to share what I know about English and waiting for your feedback or something that you want to give me comment, you want to correct me, no problem. I'm welcome warmly to get your feedback or your correction. Thank you for your spending your time to watch my video. Thank you. With you, good luck. Bye bye.